today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy, delicious drink made from the guava. Guavas are a delicious fruit. Delicious. Children absolutely love it. But today we're going to be making guava drink. So let's go over the ingredients. We have about 12 fully ripe guavas, sugar to taste, and the juice of 1 lime. Our first step is to cut our guavas. Because they're really soft, they cut really easily. Now we're going to add them to our blender, and we're going to add some water and first blend. Now we're going to strain. So we're going to take our pulp from our blender and we're going to strain it to remove the seeds and all bits of hard guava that we don't want. And once we have that removed, we're going to put it to the blender one more time. We're going to add our sugar and our lime juice and the final blend. Only the seeds remain. Now we're going to add our pulp back to our mixer. We're going to add some sugar, our lime juice, and we're going to blend for the final time. 1 cup of water.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.
Just look at that beautiful color. Lovely, bright. And you can definitely smell the guava. If you don't want it to be too thick, you can just add some more water and that will make it perfect. Now it's time to taste. It smells so good. So refreshing, so delicious, and so light. But if you want it to be even lighter, just add some more water. But the sweetness is there. There's a tip from the lime juice to bring that acidity to help balance this drink out. Perfect. Guava drink. Now you need to try it. Look over here, see some of my other beverages, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.